Okay, now we'll see the parallel subtractor. Now, again, already I have told that the subtraction operation is performed by the adder itself by taking the 2's complement of number and performing the addition. Okay, means to perform the subtraction operation, sorry, we are using the adders. Let's say I want to perform the subtraction of a minus b. Then how I am performing the subtraction? I am performing the addition of a and the 2's complement of b. It is giving me the subtraction operation. Clear? So what I need to do? When I want to implement the parallel subtractor, then at that time I have to implement the adder to perform the subtraction operation. Do you clear the basic concept here to implement the parallel subtractor? When I want to implement the parallel subtractor, then I have to perform the addition of first variable and the 2's complement of a second variable. Clear? Now how I can implement the subtraction operation by using a adder? What I can do in the adder diagram or in the to the full adder, I can give the first input as a variable a and second input as the inverter of the b, the inversion operation of the b. Clear? And then along with these two inputs, I need to use the carry input. But the carry, how we are taking the 2's complement? Now when I want to take the minus b, to take the minus b, what we are doing? We are taking 1's complement of b. Then we are adding 1 into the 1's complement. That is giving me the 2's complement of a b, which is nothing but minus b. Clear? Now here in this case, when I want to perform a plus minus b, I have to take a as a first input and second input is 2's complement of b. And to take 2's complement of b, first I have to take 1's complement and then I can add 1 into that, a plus. Clear? Now this 1's complement, now I can implement by using the inversion operation. That is by using a NOT gate, I can implement or I can take the 1's complement of a variable. Once I will use the NOT gate, I will get the 1's complement. Now I have to perform the addition with the 1's complement on and a 1. Now this plus 1 I can give as an input into the carry in. Carry in is equal to 1. Clear? So how I can implement the subtractor by using adder? Implement a full adder. Give the first input as a variable a. Second input as a b. By giving the b to the NOT gate, you will get the 1's complement. And to take 2's complement of b, if I will add 1 into that, so that 1 value I am giving to the carry. Clear? Now we'll see how to implement the 4-bit parallel subtractor. But before going to 4-bit parallel subtractor, let's see how to implement the subtractor for 1-bit parallel subtraction operation. Now let's say this is my full adder. For this full adder, the first input I am using as a A, second input I am using as a B. But A minus B I want to perform, so the minus B in a 1's complement form I have to give as a input. So I am giving the NOT, using the NOT gate to take the 1's complement of a B. Now here I will get the value A as it is and here I will get the 1's complement. Okay. Now in the 1's complement I have to add 1. So that addition is going to be performed by full adder and the 1 value now I am passing with the carry in. Now the carry input with the value 1 I am giving to the full adder. Now the full adder will take whatever value of A. It will take the 1's complement of B. It will add 1 into the 1's complement. Will get the 2's complement and the variable A. It is performing the addition. That addition is nothing but the subtraction, that is a minus b, and it is generating the output as the sum and the carry out, which is nothing but the output of a minus b. Clear? Now if I want to implement 4-bit parallel subtractor. Now to implement 4-bit parallel subtractor, I need to use the 4 full adders. So I am using here, it is a second full adder, it is third full adder, and this is the fourth full adder. This is a full adder, and this is full adder. The carry out is given as a carry in, carry out is given as carry in, carry out is given as a carry input. The inputs I am giving here now are the A0, B0. This is the output S0 now. This is a A1 and this is a B1. B1 I am giving as an input to the NOT gate. It is giving the ones complement to the full adder. And output generating is the S1 and the carry. Similarly, the third full adder is accepting the input as A2 and the B2. Ones complement of a B2, and the addition is performed with the carry, and final output generated as a S2 and the carry out. That carry out is given as an input to the next full adder along with the input variables, that is a A3 and the B3. And output generated is a S3 and the final carry out. Do you clear? Now this is the 4-bit parallel subtractor block diagram. Is any